If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you.
Hi, Bri. Yes, we are often compared to others, to other couples. We are judged by some, yet we are trying our best to make our relationship strong. And let's focus on building each other up instead of making promises. We aren't a perfect couple, but at least from the start, that was a love at first sight between us.
Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. I could be honest.
Remember, this moment, you are facing the altar. Ug diha sa maong altar, diha gipadayag ni Jesus ang iyang dakong gugma dinhi sa matag usa. Ug kana nga gugma mao nay gipaningkamutan sa matag usa. Ilabi na sila nga misud sa kinabuhi sa pagkamanagdiayo. Kana unta nga gugma mo'y ilang makopya. Nya ang kana nga gugma mao'y miluwas sa mata usa.
Hi Ivy, this is it no. After so many trials nga ni agi sa atong kinabuhi, yet here we are getting stronger sa atong relationship. We've been through ups and downs for the past years. O nakita na po nato ang atong good side o bad side. O wala jud na usab akong pagtan-aw nimo.
Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife,
Everything I have now is enough already. I didn't want anything else as long as we stay the same as what you are now. Thank you for being by my side, Bri, my lover, my enemy, and as of today, my husband. I can say this is forever, but as long as I am here, it will be just you and me and our precious one.
Mas gihigugma pa hinuon ti ka nga nagkadugay ta. Dawat na ko og unsa ka ug wala na tayo usbon pa na. Yang imo no ang gitagaan og two greatest gifts aning sa akong kinabuhi. Ang imong paghigugma o ang atong cute nga sipat na Ivan.
tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you.
You in a case your bride.
Bri, as I walk down the aisle towards you, you look at me just like you did the day you fell in love with me. Love, see you later. Love you and Ivan.
Today, it is my honor to become your husband. I promise to continue building our family together, celebrating our joy, comforting one another in hard times, and strengthening our family's future. I vow to love you and cherish you for all the days of my life.